Hi everyone, and welcome back to ESL-Easy English. I'm Alison, and today we're going to learn all about phrasal verbs. These little verb phrases can be tricky, but don't worry. I'll explain them step by step with examples that you can actually use in everyday life. So grab your notebook and let's get started. Number 1. Carry out. To do or perform something. Example, sentence. The scientist carried out an important experiment. Number 2. Hand in. To give something, usually homework, to someone in authority. Example sentence. Please hand in your assignment before Friday. Number 3. Look over. To examine something quickly. Example sentence. The manager looked over the report before the meeting. Number 4. Fill in. To complete something, like a form. Example sentence. You must fill in this form before the interview. Number 5. Deal with. To manage or handle a situation or problem. Example sentence. I had to deal with an angry customer today. Number 6. Follow up. To check or take further action. Example sentence. The doctor will follow up with the patient next week. Number 7. Take on. To accept responsibility or a challenge. Example sentence. She decided to take on a new project at work. Number 8. Put off. To postpone something. Example sentence. They put off the meeting until next Monday. Number 9. Set up. To arrange or start something. Example sentence. They set up a new company in London. Number 10. Work out. To solve or understand something. Example sentence. We need to work out a solution to this problem. Number 11. Come up with. To think of an idea or plan. Example sentence. He came up with a great idea for the project. Number 12. Run out of. To have no more of something. Example sentence. Did you run out of milk this morning? Number 13. Break down. To stop working. Example sentence. Did your car break down on the way to work? Number 14. Pick up. To collect someone or something. Example sentence. I will pick up John at the airport. Number 15. Turn down. To reject or refuse something. Example sentence. She turned down the job offer. Number 16. Bring up. To mention a topic. Example sentence. Did you bring up an interesting point during the discussion? Number 17. Look after. To take care of someone or something. Example sentence. She looks after her younger brother every afternoon. Number 18. Give up. To stop doing something. Example sentence. Did you give up smoking last year? Number 19. Find out. To discover information. Example sentence. I need to find out what is going on. Number 20. Call off. To cancel something. Example sentence. We need to call off the wedding. The groom is sick. Number 21. Check in. To register at a hotel or airport. Example sentence. You need to check in at the hotel by 3 p.m. Number 22. Check out. To leave a hotel. To look at something. Example sentence. We must check out of the hotel early to catch our flight. Or, we need to check out this new car. Number 23. Cut down on. To reduce the use of something. Example sentence. I'm trying to cut down on sugar. Number 24. Go on. To continue with something you're doing. Example sentence. Please go on with your story. Number 25. Look forward to. To feel excited about something. In the future. Example sentence. I look forward to seeing you soon. Number 26. Put up with. To tolerate something unpleasant. Example sentence. I can't put up with this rain anymore. Number 27. Take off. To remove something or when a plane leaves the ground. Example sentence. The plane will take off at 8 a.m. Or, let me take off my wet clothes. Number 28. Turn up. To arrive unexpectedly or to increase volume. Example sentence. Let's turn up the volume on the stereo. Or, he turned up at the party without an invitation. Number 29. Go over. To review or repeat something. Example sentence. Let's go over the main points of the contract again. Number 30. Make up. To invent a story or to reconcile after an argument. Example sentence. Did they make up after their big fight? Or, let's make up a good story for my boss. Great job today! Now you know how to use phrasal verbs more confidently. Remember, the best way to learn them is by practicing in real conversations. If you found this lesson helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and click the bell icon so you never miss a new video. And let me know in the comments, which phrasal verb do you use the most? I'll see you in the next lesson. Bye for now.